Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we're gonna see that how you can cancel your Netflix automatic payment. Let's say you don't want your Netflix to detect the balance from your account automatically because you want to be in charge of when to charge from your account and what to charge from your account. So basically you want to keep everything in control or in your account. So basically what you need to do and how to do it is I'll show you that in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your browser, your preferred browser. It can be anyone that you use, and simply just go to netflix.com. And once you are in netflix.com, now what you need to do is first of all select your main profile. Click on your main profile and enter your PIN. If you don't know how to set a PIN for your profile, I have made a video about this. You can check it from the link in the description, or you'll see the iCard from where you can access it. So enter your PIN and it'll take you to your ID. Now what you need to do is go and click here. As you can see here, this little arrow, this diamond head, hover over here, this menu will drop down. What you need to do is go to account. Once you click on account, here it will show all the information regarding your account in the account section. So first it will tell you when you joined the Netflix service. So here you can see that, and below here you would see membership and billing. So basically what we are interested in is we are gonna change the date of the billing or cancel automatic billing. So here you can see that your next billing date is 26th of November. So basically what we're gonna do is we can change this that we can set it to a specific date in a month when it's going to deduct from your account. So yeah, basically what you need to keep in mind is that you can't set it like if you started the subscription on 25th of November, then you can't set it to like 28th to 29th. It should be within the 30 days gap. So to make the change, what you need to do is go here. Here's an option called change billing day. Click on change billing day and wait a bit, and this window will pop up. Now here what you need to do is you need to choose a date within the the 30-day time period where you want the billing to happen or to occur. So as you can see, it's like a 28th day of cycle. So you need to select any date within these 28 days. So for this instance, I'll go and select 15th. And if I click review and confirm, basically review and confirm, it sees that whether it is possible or not. So let's say it's 15. This means that this month's 15 is going to happen like within few days, so definitely it can be happen. But if I change it to some previous date, let's suppose 5th, and it's already 11th or 12th of the month, then it would simply not work out. It will give you an error saying that it can be done. Basically, it just calculates that is it possible to change the cycle to the specific date or specific day, I should say, that you have entered. So this way you can change your automatic billing on a specific date that you want. But if you go back and let's suppose you don't want to change just the billing date, you just want to cancel it as a whole and resubscribe when you want it. Let's suppose you subscribe and you don't want to subscribe for the next month and then subscribe the month after that. Then what you need to do is you need to go to here. This option is called cancel membership. Click on cancel membership and it'll take a loading, and then this window will pop up. Now here you can see that all the shows that you have watched and everything. So basically what it'll tell you is that within 10 months, if you log in again, you can have everything as you have set up your account, the videos that you have viewed and everything, or you can just downgrade to the plan if you can't afford the plan you currently have right now. But you can just click on finish cancellation here and it'll cancel the subscription, and then you can just not use it for the month coming, and the month after that you can just subscribe and continue with the content you were watching on the first hand. So this is how you can cancel the automatic payment of Netflix. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment, and yeah, if you have any question or if you face any problem during this process, you can make sure to comment down below. I'll reach out to you, I'll tell you the solution, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.